জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
Oh no. There's no network. It's such a weird place. What do I do now? There it is. Got it. Got it at last. I've got network. Let me call Mom.
Yes, Deepu, where are you? How far are you?
Mom, I've kept my promise. I've sent Trinani to her place safely, okay? And I'm on my way back home.
Really? Are you serious?
Yes, Mom. I'm serious.
Come home, son. Come home fast. I'm waiting for you. Come fast. Hey, Vicky. Vicky, Deepu has dropped Trinani and starting from there now. He kept his promise. I knew it. I knew it. I knew he'd never break his promise. Mom, we got rid of her. Deepu has dropped Trinani and is coming back. Thank Lord. I'm so happy now. We just need to find a match for Deepu now, nothing else. There isn't any problem. When did Deepu start on his way here? He has said he would start soon. He'll start. Yes. I see. Okay.
Mom, it's such a good news, Mom. We should celebrate it.
Of course. We should celebrate. That girl troubled us a lot. Oof. Thank Lord we got rid of her. I'm feeling so light. It seems as if I got rid of a burden.
Hey Lord, my friend loves you so much. She trusts you. Still you separated her from Deepu. You did not do the right thing, Lord.
Sanjukta,
Yes?
we can celebrate the occasion with food and sweets and other things. We have so many options, but what will happen to Pratima? We need to arrange for something else for Pratima, the one she is holding in her hand right now.
No. Not required. You don't need to take so much trouble for me. You don't need to get anything for me. Actually, you and I may not be happy about similar things, right? What makes me happy may make you sad. The two of you want to celebrate after throwing the daughter-in-law out of the house. It is not my taste to celebrate that at all.
You brag a lot, Pratima. You brag a lot. You tried your best to keep that girl here, didn't you? You've lost. You have lost. Do whatever you want to. But that girl will never enter this house again. Never!
No one can guarantee that. No one can guarantee. The most important thing is destiny. No one can predict what is in our destiny. No one can predict that.
Oh, wow. Pratima is very hopeful, I guess.
Yes, you are absolutely right. Hope keeps one alive. We keep our hope alive even in hard times, can't you see? I still have hope. Deepu will definitely understand Trinani one day. And he will bring her back into this house. Trust me, at that time you two won't be able to celebrate at all. Mark my words, you won't be able to. Hey, come Rangna.
Excuse me, mister. Mister, how far is the main road from here?
It's too far. It will take a long time to go on foot. You go ahead a little, you'll find rickshaws, okay?
That way?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Dripto! Dripto, where are you? Where can Dripto go? He's not here. Can he go that way? There he is! Dripto! Dripto, wait! Dripto! Dripto! Dripto, I couldn't find where you were going. That's why I looked for you everywhere. Finally, I found you.
I wish I never see your face ever again. You're weird, Trinaini. You're abnormal. And I'm scared of abnormal people. Why are you here? I told you that I don't want to see your face ever again. Then what? Didn't you understand that? Or you don't want to understand? Why are you quiet? Answer me. Come on.
The one who is scared of me and hates me. How can I tell him that I want to go with him? But won't he ever understand that I can't leave him alone? What kind of a dilemma is this, Lourdes?
Why are you so quiet now? You followed me. Why can't you answer now? Hey, who are you? Are you a ghost or something? Why are you following me like a ghost? Huh? Look, make it very clear. Please tell me clearly, what do you want? No, can't you understand that the more you do this, the more scared I feel?
I don't know, Dripto. I don't know how I'll end this fear of yours. If I were able to do that, I wouldn't have scared you. I'm supposed to protect you from every danger. But instead, I am the one who scares you.
Will you keep quiet? Will you still keep quiet? No, what did you think? That you'll make a sad face and I'll be soft on you? And then I'll take you along with me? Is that what you thought? All right. Come with me. Let me take you along. Let's go.
No,
Come
where
with
are
me.
you taking me?
I said
listen
come.
to me. Listen, hold on. Please listen to me. Where are you taking me?
Just keep quiet. Come with me.
Dripto, where are you taking me? Please listen to me.
I won't listen to anything.
Where are you taking me?
Let's go.
According to the instructions of people, this place seems to be Kusumganj. Look around. Do you recognize the place? Where is the temple?
Yeah, actually, I didn't come this way. That's why there you go. They must be local people.
Yes.
Let's ask.
Excuse me, mister.
Yes, tell me.
Is this Kusumganj?
Yes, sir, this is Kusumganj. Where will you go?
There is a very old temple amidst the forest, right?
Yes, but the temple collapsed during the cyclone last night.
What? The temple collapsed?
Yes, sir. It was a very old temple. It couldn't tolerate the storm.
Tarun sir, where are Trineni and Deepu then? I hope they are all right. Let's go there quickly. Okay. Which way is the temple from here?
You both go straight from here, then turn right, and then go straight again.
Oh, yes.
Has
let's go.
anything
Okay.
happened there?
No, nothing happened.
What happened?
I think I stepped on a thorn.
Come on, just take it out quickly.
Please be a little merciful to me, Dripto. I don't want anything else. I beg you, please. There is Trinaini. What's the matter with you? Why did you leave without informing me? We've been looking for you. You're not well, but you are taking so much strain.
It's of no use saying that now. Well, where were you when she left, tell me?
Actually, we didn't realize when she left, Mr. Basu.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You were bragging so much that there's an emotional bonding between you and the patients. But the patients run away from the hospital and you don't even realize it.
Sorry, Mr. Basu. We won't make this mistake again. Please forgive us.
If this happens again, if she leaves the hospital and follows me again, then I will file a case against you and I won't forgive you. I'm leaving now. And make sure that she doesn't follow me. Please ensure that. Hold her.
Dripto, please don't go. Please don't leave me and go alone. Life is in danger, Dripto.
I know. And you are the danger. You please stay away from me. Don't follow me. I'm sure after that I'll be safe. Clear? Thank you. And you are the danger. You please stay away from me. I'm sure after that I'll be safe.
You're calling me a danger. Me? How could you say this, Dripto?
At last I could get rid of her. Oh no. I told those people to drop Trinaini home. Does it sound a little irresponsible? I mean, will they think that I'm avoiding my responsibility?
Please drive faster, Mr. Karbakar. I'm really tensed.
Mr. Topaprato, I'm trying my best. There are village roads, hope you understand. I can't drive faster than this. Let me see if I can go fast.
Yes, Deepu. Deepu, tell me, where are you? Are you all right?
Yes, Dad, I'm fine. Listen, where is Trinaini's house? I mean, what's the name of the village?
Why? What you'll do with Trinaini's house? Why do you want to know that, Tripto? Tell me, what happened to Trinaini? Where is she?
Dad, Trinaini is not well. She is admitted in the hospital where I was admitted after I was involved in an accident. her family members should know about it. Otherwise, how will they pick her up?
Why? What about you? Where are you? Aren't you there with her?
No, Dad. I will inform her family and I'll get back home. You just tell me what the address is.
No, Deepu, no. Please, don't leave her alone. Her family is in Kolkata now. There's no one at her village home. How can she be all alone, my son?
Kolkata? What are they doing in Kolkata?
They came to check on Trineni after finding about her ill health. But you have to be at the clinic with her, my son. Please don't leave her alone. We will be there in some time. We are nearby.
Oh, you're here? That's really great. Then I don't have to worry. Okay, Dad, listen to me. I'm leaving. You pick up Trineni and you can then hand her over to the family in Kolkata. And yes, please don't take her to our house instead of Kolkata, okay? I'll talk later.
Deepu, listen.
Mr. Basu, what happened? What did he say? Are they fine?
Mr. Karmakar, they spent the night together. Still, he wants to send Trineni back.
Don't say all this, Mr. Topaprato. It's enough that we got some information about them in this bad weather. Are they all right? Where are they now?
Don't worry. I'll let me guide you. Go straight, then take a left turn. We need to go to the main road, okay?
Okay.
Hello, Jeet. Listen, you need to go to Trineni's family members once. Yes, my son, listen. I can't request anyone else. Yes, they are in Mr. Karmakar's house. Yes, go and inform them that Trineni is fine. Yes, listen, get something to eat for them, okay? They are too worried to have anything. Thank you, Jeet.
Ma'am, why did you bring me here? You could have left me there. I would have followed him.
You
Calm
relax,
down,
Trineni.
I can't calm down. Okay, Dripto must have gone far away by now, right? I wonder how he is. How will he go alone? I won't be with him. No, please let me go. Let me go. No, I must leave.
Trineni, don't do this. Listen to me. Give her the sedative quickly.
No, I must go to Dripto. Don't stop me. I must go to Dripto. Let me see. Oh no, poor thing. You got hurt because of me. Why are you so concerned about me? Lourdes is always with me. Nothing will happen to me, believe me.
Can't you stay without your husband even for a moment?
Trineni, why are you always so concerned about Dripto? He's an adult. What will happen if he goes alone? Yes?
That's what. Why are you trying to run away because of him in this state?
Why are you so worried about him? And what was he saying at that time? Did you realize beforehand that his car would catch fire? How did you realize?
I really don't know how you found out that my car would catch fire. Who told you that? No matter how you found out, this is not normal.
Trinaini.
Who?
It'll burn down, Nayan. It'll burn. It'll burn. You saved my dad's life. That's why I'm here.
I saved her father's life. Who is that girl? Who is she? Who is the father?
It'll burn down, Nayan. It'll burn. It'll burn. You saved my dad's life. That's why I'm here. It'll burn down, Nayan. It'll burn. You saved my dad's life. That's why I'm here.
Is she the daughter of the policeman?